Most Americans save less than 5% of their income. In China, people save almost half. So what are they doing differently? Today, I'll break down one simple habit that explains it all. Part 1. The big difference. In the United States, we're taught to spend. Sales, buy now, pay later, credit cards, lifestyle upgrades. Consumption is everywhere. In China, the mindset is the opposite. Money equals security. Not status, not flex. Security. That single belief changes everything. Part 2. Why saving is deeply cultural. From a young age, Chinese kids are encouraged to save. Money gifts are not meant to be spent immediately. They're meant to be protected. Even during holidays, the common greeting isn't Happy New Year. It's closer to, I hope you become wealthy. Money is directly connected to success, stability, and respect. Part 3. Real-life pressure changes behavior. Another big reason is long-term responsibility. In China, there's no strong safety net like 401ks or IRAs. Healthcare, retirement, education, most of it comes from personal savings. So people plan ahead early, very early. When you know no one is coming to rescue you financially, saving becomes non-negotiable. Part 4. The actual Chinese secret to saving money. Here's the real secret. It's not extreme frugality. It's not complicated investing. It's this. Every dollar has a job. Before money is spent, it already has a purpose. This is called zero-based budgeting. Part 5. Zero-based budgeting explained simply. Let's say you earn $4,000 a month. Before the month starts, you decide rent, groceries, bills, savings, investing, debt payments, fun money. By the end, your income minus expenses equals zero. Zero doesn't mean broke. Zero means control. Nothing is left over to disappear. Part 6. 4 habits that make it work. Habit 1. No obsession with luxury. Most people avoid buying things just for status. Habit 2. Live far below income. Even when income increases, lifestyle stays simple. Habit 3. Needs versus wants. Spend freely on health and essentials. Be careful with wants. If you buy something expensive, use it for years. Habit 4. Eat at home. This alone saves thousands per year in the US. Part 7. How Americans can use this today. You don't need to change your culture. You just need one habit. Before the month starts, decide where your money goes, not after. Saving doesn't happen by accident. It happens by design. If this helped you think differently about money, tap like. And if you want simple finance rules that actually work, consider subscribing. As they say in Chinese culture, I hope you get rich, but more importantly, I hope you stay secure.